Hello, I am Damien Bond, one of the 5 founders of Autology Health Limited. Our business is interested in regenerative medicine and specifically the development of tools to harvest adult stem cells for research and therapeutic use. Stem cell therapies are expected to be a critical part of healthcare in the future, from growing new tissues to accelerating tissue repair after surgery. Currently, one of the main problems facing researchers is that they cannot get enough stem cells for a therapeutic effect. They estimate you need 10 to 100 million stem cells per treatment. The problem is, no one can harvest such numbers. They currently get much smaller numbers and grow them up through culture, and therein lies the problem. Once you start culturing stem cells, they change and lose the unique properties to change and differentiate into any cell. For cellular therapies to work optimally, the treatment needs to be autologous, that is, using cells from your own body to avoid rejection problems. We all have excess stem cells in our fat. 10% of cells in adipose are actually stem cells. 300 ml of liposuction contains enough cells for a therapeutic dose. Fat, though, is very hard to extract cells from, and current methods simply aren't good enough. Experts from tissue engineering, cell capture, sample processing and business development have all come together to form Autology to solve this problem. At its heart, we have a particle capture technology used to capture proteins in biopharmaceuticals for 20 years. You can see here a large dense particle that can work with dense viscous liquids like blood or adipose, where the liquid flows around the particle which can sediment. We've adapted this particle to capture cells, with a final stage releasing the stem cell from the particles in a pure and concentrated form. We're currently testing the method on blood samples, but require further funding to test on adipose and animal models. Initially, the product will be sold for research use, but ultimately we expect to see the approach developed for autologous therapy. The TSB investment will help us understand how much development will be required, and therefore how much investment we need to raise. Thank you.